No guys, oh. Manami. Sarap. Sarap ng sauce. Manami. So, slice natin ang ating ravioli in half. Yung ating like this. I put shredded lettuce and my sliced red radish. So, ravioli on the top. Tara, tara. Then, we spread the sauce. Gonna do parsley a little bit, and because this is an onion sauce, so we're gonna sprinkle a little of freeze red onion on the top. It's called freeze dried on red onion. Yahoo! Tastes good. Red radish. Try nyo guys. Dami kasi akong natirang ravioli. Kung sabi ko, I'm gonna make appetizer. Sarap ng homemade sauce ko. Sarap siya sa radish. And the fried ravioli. Ay, yung ravioli, cheese and uncured bacon. Pwede din with chips. Pwede din kayo makagawa with chips nito. Sarap.